think we're lost. Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're with a friend of mine, Bob, and we are trying to get to an overpass to get the Peace Bridge, and we're not really sure how to get there. So we're taking a gamble. So as you can see, the sun is starting to set. We wanted to get some nice shots, but sunset would be a bonus too. Hopefully we'll make it in time. But we're not really sure where we're going. We just parked on the side of the road, and now we're trying to find a trail to get to there's an overlook for the Peace Bridge, so hopefully we'll find it. We'll check back in later. I think we lucked out. I think we found the trail. Fortunately, it wasn't too far away. Because, Bob's having a hard time keeping up with me though, because I'm so sleek and, run like a cheetah. Where we're headed is just over here. Yeah, there we go. Right there. Peace Bridge overlook. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that's a Peace Bridge overlook. And that's where we're headed. Peace Bridge. I think we missed the rest of the light. Although it looked like it was going to be a great sunset, but now it didn't turn out as colorful as we'd hoped. Maybe when the sun goes down, we get the second blush, maybe it'll light up a little bit more, but maybe we'll hang around, get some night shots, and I'm gonna bring out the camera and see what I can capture right now with the sun. With a little bit of scurrying and scampering, I was able to set up my camera, and I caught this image. While I was capturing this image, Bob got his drone out and got it ready to fly. So what you got there, Bob? Mini Pro 3. Mini Pro 3.
Bob likes to hand watch. If I had concrete on here, when I watch my drone, I'll probably watch it off the concrete. Unless there's something disturbing with GPS and it won't let me take off from the concrete. But I can't recommend that you hand watch it for safety reasons.
Through a unfortunate set of circumstances, Bob lost all of his photos off of his drone, but he was still able to capture this image with his Fuji X-H2S. Once Bob brought his drone in, I put my drone up in the air, and with the drone I caught this image. I'm not particularly happy with this image. I wish I had flown probably further out into the river and maybe back a little bit further from the bridge. The sky is interesting.
I still see it.
I don't know how much of the clouds or the sunset we actually got. I'll have to wait till I get home and put the panorama together. But now we're just waiting for it to get darker for them to light up the bridge. Right now it's like this amber kind of ugly color, and the hope is that they turn on the other lights. I've seen it lit up in like blue and purple and red, all sorts of cool colors. Hopefully we'll get that tonight. I think it's just a waiting game though, so Bob gets to enjoy my company for however long that is. Maybe another 45 minutes, you think, maybe? Hour. In the meantime, we'll sit out here and get eaten by, I don't know if they're mosquitoes or something else, but something keeps flying around and landing on me. So It's dark. The sun is kind of set. It's pretty much gone. I'm gonna take another pano here, and the settings I got. It's on manual focus. I'm exposure bracketing it for the pano. Bob laughs at me because I exposure bracket everything and I pano everything. But what I love about a pano, exposure bracketed pano, is I've just got tons and tons of detail and data there to play with. It gives me a high resolution image, and I don't have to use all the bracketed images. I can use the overexposed or the underexposed. But as you can see here, right now I've got it on F8, exposure bracketing, one stop, and actually one and a little bit of a stop, ISO 100, and 13 seconds for the base exposure. So of course with the bracketing, it'll shoot one shorter than that, and it'll shoot one longer than that. So anyways, I'm gonna close my pie hole, and I'm gonna get the pano before it gets too dark. I think Bob's getting ready to leave here, so if the shot comes out any good, here it is. I'm probably going to keep this video a little short. I'm still getting over COVID. I didn't film a whole lot of B-roll or anything like that. But anyways, thanks Bob for being in my video. I'm sure we'll see a lot more of Bob. Bob and I go out and do a lot of shooting together. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.